Hook, 0 to 5 sec. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they're lazy. They fail because they never know what to post next. Problem, 5:18 sec. Every day, you waste time staring at a blank screen, scrolling for ideas, and watching other creators grow while your channel stays stuck. The biggest creator advantage isn't talent. It's having endless content ideas ready to go. Agitate, 18 to 35 CT. Imagine uploading consistently without creative burnout. No more guessing what might work. No more spending hours writing scripts. Instead, you open one document, copy a proven prompt, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, and get a video idea, hook, script, and caption in minutes. Solution, 35 to 50 second. That's exactly why I created 500 faceless YouTube and TikTok prompts. A collection of AI-ready prompts designed to help you create viral faceless content faster, whether you're a beginner or already posting daily. Call to action, 50 to 60 sec. The creators who win aren't always the smartest. They're the most consistent. If you're ready to stop overthinking and start creating, grab your copy today and let AI handle the hard part while you focus on growing your audience.